So this is the pound yen analysis for Monday the 2nd of October. Now, let's just see where we are. I'm going to go out to the monthly time frame for some perspective. And yep, here we are. On the monthly time frame, you can see we've broken out of the most recent channel. We are trending to the upside slightly on the monthly time frame. Last month closed near its highs. If I go down to the weekly time frame, I'm just going to zip through this. Let's see where we are. We had strong moves to the upside last week. We did close bearish, but I don't think that's anything to worry about. As with all things in the market, you do get pullbacks on occasions where prices move counter to the primary trend. Have a bit of a respite. The fact that this candle on the weekly time frame, we did have buying from its lows, even though we did close bearish. That suggests there are buyers in the market. And yeah, let's just see where my most important pivot is. Should be 150.55. 150.55. Okay. Let's go get that on the chart. So if I go down to the 60-minute chart. 150 is this candle here, so it slightly gapped down, wasn't it? 150.56. Okay, so let's just get 150.56. It should be around there. You see, that's too close as far as I'm concerned. That really is too close to the 151.25. But let's just put it on the chart. So 150.56. Let's just get it on there, because I'm only going to be using it as a pivot. It's not really support or resistance, is it? So 150.56. My overall view of the market is to the upside in the long term. What do I expect? Well, currently we've come down to where we consolidated last week on the 60-minute chart, in and around at 150. Mid 150s. So prices appear to be heading towards the 151.25, which was last week's pivot, and that's where the 200 period moving average is currently. If we do break down from there, from where the 200 period moving average is and last week's pivot, I do expect a test to the downside, although I'll be cautiously bearish, 149.75, underneath which we have this moving average here detailed in black. Below that we've got a breakout zone from which we broke out of the range at 148.46. so that 148.46, I do expect it to be pretty strong, as you can expect, up just above 149.75, 150. It would likely be an area where buyers are sitting, as is a nice round number. In the long term, I'm expecting pound yen to go up to 160. So if we do break and hold this 200 period moving average from the other side, 52.85 would be a level I'll be looking at, and above that 54.72. I do not expect prices to trade above 54.72 this week. If we do, I'll look on the I'll look at marking out the other levels, but I pretty much, the thing about it is it does have a high ETR, so I can't pretty much say that because essentially, say we're at 151 at present, 300 pips in a day would require 372 pips. 300 pips in a day, while likely, don't tend to happen that often, so I do not expect us to trade above 154.72 before I do the next analysis video tomorrow. So I've outlined the levels I'll be looking at this week on the pound yen. So before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.